Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do a 3D parted half up, half down with a bun and spikes in the back and a bang in the front. I know that was a mouthful, but baby, it's cute. So this is my client Raven. It is her big 30th birthday, and we are doing something really cute so she can have a little fun this weekend without, having her hair in her face. So we're just doing something really cute, a styled look. So I'm going to start off with this part going down the middle of her head. I'm going to go ahead and braid the back of her hair down. Because her hair is a little bit finer in texture, we could just do 2 braids, which is better for the takedown anyway. So I'm going to just go ahead and braid down with these 2 braids in the back, and then I'm going to apply the cap and use the protective solution. This style is very easy to do. I actually have multiple videos on this type of style, and I actually have one where you could do it on yourself. So if you're looking for a video of how to do this similar style but on yourself, look in the DIY playlist where you can find videos of me doing my own hair in styles that I would normally do on my clients. So yeah, just stay tuned for the remainder of this video. I think this video came out super cute. On this channel, there is tons and tons of hair tutorials. I'm a big visual person, so I allow the video to play, and it's really just a sped up version of everything I do in my shop. So if you like all things hair, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. There are new hair videos that drop every Sunday at noon. We will start dropping vlog videos in 2025. Honestly, probably next week I'm gonna start dropping vlogs, but I'm super excited about everything that is happening on this channel, and I want you to be a part. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know in the comment section what type of videos you would like to see. I do all type of stuff over here at the Pretty Lounge, and honestly, sometimes I don't record because it's just too much, okay? But I am excited to, announce that I'm going to Nigeria, and I will be vlogging that. So if that's something you want to see, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But yeah, there's a lot going on over here, and 2025 is going to be a great year. So you want to be locked in. You do. I'm telling you, you want to be locked in. So just stay tuned for the remainder of this video so you can see how I accomplished this hairstyle. It came out super cute on Raven. And make sure you get in that comment box and tell Raven happy birthday, because she is entering a new decade of life. And for that, we are always grateful to God. And it is a celebration, okay? This is one of my longtime clients, and I'm just so happy that she's still in my chair after all these years. And I wanted to make sure that I laid and slayed her to the side, okay? All right, thank you so much for tuning in. I will catch you all next week. And yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Peace. It's Raven's 30th birthday. Everybody need to tell her happy birthday.
Big 30.
It's cute. I like it. It came out so cute. Look, I'm smiling. Alright.
And no voiceover talking about Raven. Don't play this.
Right, look, because I'm on. I said, there she go. She ain't.
Get high.